Good Friday morning. It's now 7:18 this Friday, wrapping up the business week with some fog, some mugginess, some humidity. Any word you can think of to describe a soggy atmosphere is exactly what we have going on today. A look from our Valley Sky Cam looking toward the west. We can see that fog on the horizon there in our western neighborhoods, but you can see clear sky there at the top of your screen. So above that fog, there is some clear sky out and about, and that clear sky does look to join us as we go into the later morning and afternoon hours once this fog does indeed lift. But you see that visibility is there. 0 mile visibilities all the way up from Oaks and Gwinner up through Candu. Devil's Lake has improved, now is at 2 mile visibility. It was at 0 there earlier. And seeing some patchy dense fog in our eastern areas as well. In central Minnesota, Bemidji, 3/4 mile visibility there, Wadena 1/2 mile visibility. So definitely want to keep that in mind, especially if you are traveling anywhere around our North Dakota neighborhoods, as that reduced visibilities will be a problem for those folks traveling or driving. So remember to use those low beams if you do encounter any of that fog. Here's that dense fog advisory. It has been extended now to include Grand Forks County all the way up to the Canadian border, and it goes all the way down through the Oaks area and Gwinner area as well. It does also include Devil's Lake, goes until 9 a.m., so about another hour on this dense fog advisory. Temperatures in the 60s at this hour, 70 in Fergus Falls, the warm spot, 67 Fargo, 64 up to the north in Grand Forks, Roseau 61. 62 in Jamestown. So it's still mild to start off our day, and that mild temperatures set the stage for another warm and humid one here across the valley. So as I said, above the fog we see clear skies, but I am watching this cluster of thunder showers right now. It does look to be falling apart as it's approaching our western neighborhoods, which is the good thing, but if that does move anywhere around the Maddock or Candu areas, it would just be a splash and dash type thunder shower, very small, very isolated in nature at this point. The bigger picture, the larger scale weather phenomena we're watching is this bank of clouds in western North Dakota with some showers along it. This will be our chance of showers and storms later on today. So we'll see on the hour by hour that fog lifts and we see some sunshine join us, 70s and 80s by lunchtime. Southeast winds will continue through the day, and that will help to funnel in some more humidity and some more heat. By 3 o'clock, watching for that bank of clouds to move in. Could be some showers along that bank of clouds in the early afternoon, but it's not till 5 o'clock or so that we'll see some more organized showers and storms moving into our western neighborhoods. And that's where we're looking at the best chance of seeing that severe weather, is in that cluster of storms that looks to develop there in the dinner time hour or so. Notice by 8 o'clock, not everyone's going to see a storm, and not everyone's going to feel the effects of any potential strong to severe storm as well. So that's one thing also to keep in mind for us, but any storm that does develop could have that hail and wind with it, just with how much humidity we have in this atmosphere. And I expect by midnight this to move across the valley, at least the northern valley. Looks like a cluster of storms takes precedence in the northern valley and looks to fizzle out as we head toward the 2 o'clock a.m. hours for tomorrow. But you can see the good news, Lisa, things for the weekend look quiet. Sunday, chance of scattered showers and storms, and then we stay quiet into most of the next business week as well.
Looks like a great weekend. Thank you, Nathan. Yeah.